Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Also, turn on those bell notifications so you are notified when I upload a video. So today's video is going to be a Dollar General 5 off 25. This is for Saturday. There is some very, very excellent deals, so you guys be sure to clip your coupons and go grab them. So the first thing we are going to pick up is the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, and they are priced at $3.95, and we have that $3 off digital coupon. The Centrum Vitamins are $5, and we have the $4 off coupon. The Gain Flings is $3.95, and we have the $2 off coupon. The Aleve Back and Muscle is $3.75, and we have the $3 off coupon. The Tide Simply is $2.95, and we have the $1 off. The Mr. Clean at $2.50 with the $1 off. The Always Liners at $3 with the $2 off. So your total before coupons is going to come to $25.10. You are going to use that 5 off 25 coupon along with your other $16 in coupons. So your final cost is going to be $4.10 plus taxes, or 58 cents each. And that is definitely not a bad deal, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing, guys, from my home to yours.